a lot of people don't take advantage of using effects and filters when they're editing images. So I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to click on the picture so I get the handles and click on edit, and I'm going to go over here to filters, and there's a bunch of different filters in here that I can use. I'm just going to show you a couple of them, but if you have the time, go in and play with this. There's a lot of fun ones in here. Now you notice like all of the color like seem to get has been drained out of the picture, but I can also change the intensity of those filters right here, right? And you can see the difference there as I move the slider back and forth. Oh, there's also effects down here. So if this is an image, we can put edges on the image, we can put frames on the image, shadows on the image, and we can even do a blur feature on the image. This is really cool. Look, check this blur feature out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the blur. I'm going to make it pretty intense, and I can change the brush size too. So wherever the brush is going, that's where the blur is going to be. And as you can completely see that, so that'd be very helpful if I'm trying to blur out, student ID numbers, etc. So that's pretty fun. There's also a face retouch one in here. There's a bunch of other ones that are in here, but I had to try to do this. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's not going to detect a face, even though AI, I beg to differ, there is a face, a beautiful great white shark face, but you can actually do touch-ups to faces in here as well. And again, this is free. This is in Canva. This is pretty amazing. So amazing. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Canva.